Aloha, my name is Gina Thomas, Division Manager for SageWater. SageWater specializes in construction renovation projects within occupied homes, condominiums, and apartments throughout Hawaii and the mainland. Since 1988, we have successfully replaced millions of aged and defective construction products in more than 80,000 households nationwide. As the court-approved contractor for the Pointe hurricane strap settlement, SageWater will be responsible for repairing your home in accordance with the approved hurricane straps repair program. The goal of this video is to provide you with a clear picture of the entire process, from initial scheduling to what you can expect during the repair process, to the final walkthrough and your sign-off on the completed work. Pre-renovation inspection. The first step of the repair process includes an in-home visit and inspection with your dedicated SageWater project manager. Before the inspection can proceed, you will need to sign a work authorization form. This form can be downloaded from our website at sagewater.com/oceanpointsettlement, or you can get one from your project manager during your pre-renovation visit. During the pre-renovation inspection, your project manager will explain what you need to do to prepare your home for the repair process, how your home will be protected during the repairs, and where the work will take place in and around your home. Based on your model and garage configuration, we also will let you know how long we think it will take to complete your repairs. The repair process typically takes 5 to 7 business days to complete, with work taking place between 8 a.m. to 5 p.m.
My experience with SageWater was a great experience. Their professionalism as far as their work ethic. If I had any concerns or questions, management and the workers were always there to help me. They came to my house, explained the process, what it was going to be like. It took about 2 to 3 days for the repairs, and my house looked great after it was done.
Preparing your home for the repair process. Since our team will be working in and around the perimeter of your home, we ask that you remove all movable items located within 4 feet of your garage and home's exterior perimeter. This includes such items as lawn furniture, barbecue grills, yard tools, toys, and other items you may keep outdoors next to your home. In the event that we need to work inside your home or garage, your SageWater project manager will let you know what items will need to be removed from the work areas. Setup and staging. Upon arrival, our team will begin setting up a staging area at the location agreed upon during the pre-renovation meeting. They will then quickly transition to installing protective coverings at various locations where the work is planned to take place. Please note that the staging area and the protective coverings may stay in place throughout the repair process. Once the staging area and the protective coverings are in place, our team will begin the repair process. In order to repair your hurricane straps, the SageWater team will need to create access points at the locations of the existing straps. These access points may be created from the exterior of your home or garage by removing siding, or from the interior of your home or garage by cutting drywall. In most cases, we will attempt to access the straps from the exterior. However, on occasion, we may be required to access the straps from the interior. In these instances, work in the affected interior areas will be thoroughly reviewed with you in advance. Once the access points are created, the repair process may include installing new hurricane straps, hold-downs, and anchor bolts. In most cases, it will be necessary to drill into your home's foundation to install new hurricane hold-downs, straps, and anchor bolts. Certain elements of your home's existing hurricane strapping system may be treated with a corrosion inhibitor to protect against future corrosion. If corroded hurricane straps have caused spalling to your home's foundation, we will repair these sections in accordance with the approved repair protocols. Siding reinstallation and paint. Once the repairs have been completed, we will reinstall your siding and paint it using the original color specified by the builder at the time your home was constructed. However, because your home's color has likely been affected by the weather and the sun, you may notice some slight color differences between the newly painted surfaces and the remainder of your home's siding. If we were required to work inside your home, our finish crews will replace the drywall pieces removed, apply several layers of drywall compound, and smooth the finish to match the adjacent existing surface exactly. We then paint the affected areas using our specialized paint blending process. Our paint matching technique is designed to exceed the highest standards. The repairs to affected areas will be blended so that once the refinishing process is complete, your home will look just as it did prior to the start of the work. In addition, please rest assured that all repairs will be compliant with AOAO bylaws and requirements with regard to the appearance of your home. Final sign-off and approval. After the work is completed, your SageWater project manager will schedule a final inspection with you to sign off on the completed repairs. Should any punch list items be identified during the final inspection, we will address those items promptly. We thank you for your patience while our team completes your hurricane strap repairs. As you know, these repairs are essential to ensuring the safety of your home. We encourage you to contact us at any time should you have any questions or comments. On behalf of the entire SageWater team, thank you for your time and attention.